going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Long time no see. If this is your first time watching, my name's Viet, otherwise known as F8x. If you could do me a favor, leave a like, comment, subscribe for future content. We got some big things planned for this year coming up soon. For those of you who don't know, we are currently in the market for a house and we are supposed to close soon. So the car content has been on hold and on pause for a long time. Since last October, actually, I haven't bought any car mods. And again, if you're a car guy, which most of you are, you know how hard that is. But we're hopefully gonna close soon, maybe this week, on our house and get moved into this new garage. It is insane. And then the car content will continue back up again, just like old times. I'll tell you guys about that a little later. Thank you for watching this video and make sure you subscribe. So we're gonna meet up with the boys today in Winter Park and probably film some stuff, take some photos, check out Kyler's new 340, man just upgraded. Check out Josh's N55. Maybe we can do like a little walk around and review of each, maybe some sound clips. And my boy Jonathan's M4 and Danny M235 will be there as well. So it's a beautiful day here in Orlando. I just got my hair cut, as you can see. Shout out to Mike at Ace of Spades in Orlando. Definitely hit him up if you need a cut. Girlfriend tried to make me grow my hair out, but I can't do that. I can't be seen doing that, so had to get a trim, as you can see. And we're supposed to close for our new house on Friday, so I wanted to look clean. More updates with that coming up soon. All right, so we're gonna head over to the parking garage now and I'll catch up with you guys then. As you guys can see, it's a beautiful day here in Orlando. Good day to do a whole lot of nothing with the boys, film some videos, take some pictures of the whips. Actually woke up early and cleaned my car, vacuumed a little with the new portable vacuum that my girlfriend got me. Shit is fire. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. My boy Jonathan wants to film some B-roll. I guess he used to vlog and has a really nice setup. I just wanted some pictures for the next coming weeks because I'm gonna be busy this week. I won't be able to get out and get pictures. And I'm gonna hang out with the boys, see their cars. Haven't seen most of them in a while. My friend Josh lives in Gainesville, has a muffler delete 235. Shit's loud as fuck. I might as well update you guys while I'm driving about what's going on, what do I have planned, what's going on with the house. I wanted to keep everything on the DL for the past month or two, just because I didn't want to get ahead of myself and say that we got a house and then we end up losing out on the house. So this video will probably come out Monday, and we are actually supposed to close on our new house this week. So we're super excited about that. It's been a long time coming. It's probably been like 2 months of going back and forth with sellers and listing agents and getting rejected or not even hearing back. The house buying process is no joke. But if you do need any, if you do have any questions or need advice, if you're looking to buy a house soon, definitely hit me up, DM me on Instagram, and I can definitely give you my 2 cents on how our experience went. I think overall it went pretty well, but the process still isn't done yet. We still have closing, which means we have to dish out all of our money. But let's hope that goes well and we move into the new garage. I hinted on Instagram that the garage setup is like a dream come true, and it really is. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm not gonna show you any pictures or anything or tell you that it's official until it's official. So this is a little preview. Hopefully everything goes smooth this week. That's all I can ever ask for. We're super excited to be moving into this house, not just for car purposes, but just for just so we're not renting anymore. We're not throwing money down the drain with rent, because rent prices are ridiculous no matter where you live. So we're just looking to buy, and actually own some equity. So another big thing for us moving is that we're gonna finally have a yard for our dogs. If you guys don't know, I have two big ass dogs that need space and need to run around. So having them cooped up in an apartment all day is not ideal. So now we can officially let them out in the backyard. I mean, it's small things that you take for granted, but I can't wait to have our own yard. Let them out back whenever they need to go to the bathroom. I'm stoked. That's one of the biggest things I'm stoked for. As for the rest of the house, we have a bunch of house projects, a bunch of house things that we need to buy. So stay tuned for that. I might include some house content mixed in with some car content. So let me know if you'd be down for that. As for the garage, I got big plans for the garage. You already know me. I have plans to make the garage my home gym, obviously my man cave with the car stuff, and then I also plan to make it my home office as well. So have my gaming setup, my work setup in there. Of course, you gotta have everything car related, all the tools, all the cabinetry. I want to get new cabinets to make everything nice and clean. I want everything to be organized, not like my current garage setup, which is all clustered and dirty. I want to build a home gym so I don't have to go to the gym anymore. I'm gonna build that slowly, but I want to be able to have everything that I need at home, so I don't really have to leave anywhere. Because with COVID and Corona, it's really hard to stay in shape, and sometimes you just don't even want to go to the gym. But this past month, actually these past 2 months where we've been looking for houses, I've just been focusing on that, focusing on myself, working out again. It feels good. So I want to get a home gym set up at home, and that's all. I've always wanted a home gym in my own garage, so I can't wait to put that in. Like I said, the garage is gonna be sick. I can't even wait to show you guys the garage empty. It's wild. Shit is crazy. So I can't wait for that. And then what other plans we have for the car itself? I mean, this is a car channel, right? So for my actual car, I haven't bought any mods since October. I plan on changing that after we move in. Nah, but on the real, I need new rear tires, as you guys know. So the first purchase after closing is all said and done is going to be some new rear tires. I'm going to get some 4S's, 285 or 295, not sure yet. They're really pricey, so it kind of sucks, but you got to get tires. I mean, tires are like one of the most important things you can get for your car, so I'm going to get tires on order. So after I get the tires in and then I get them mounted, balanced, and a new alignment, I'm going to order the Active Auto Work Equal Length Mid Pipe, non-resonated, that I actually canceled my order on like a couple months ago. I am super stoked about that. The only problem about the mid pipes are they are super backed up right now. I mean, I'm probably not gonna get my order until April or May at this rate. I've talked to a bunch of people about their orders taking forever, so I mean, I'm not expecting it to arrive, right away. But tires and mid pipe, and then the rest of my money is gonna be focusing on house stuff that we need around the house, home improvements, stuff like that we need, and obviously garage improvements as well, like I just mentioned. So again, stay tuned for this content. I'm gonna be picking up a new vlog camera as well. I'm really leaning towards like a Canon G7X, just because it's small, portable, the quality is amazing, and the audio quality is actually really good too. So on OfferUp, they're like super affordable. So I think I'm gonna upgrade from this GoPro to the Canon G7X for vlogging. I'm gonna vlog everything in my garage, maybe some house related stuff as well. And then obviously, let's get back into the M3 stuff. We're gonna record some car content for you guys, the tires, the mid pipe, sound clips, maybe a walk around of my car. We got big plans for 2021, but we just got to get this house all squared away and then back to the fun stuff for sure. We're also going to try to go out and get more car content for you guys, whether that's just hanging on a parking garage roof with the boys, talking on a Friday night. We're gonna try to do that at least once a week, just to get out, because everyone's quarantining right now. So it's gonna be nice to get out and talk about cars and get some more content for you guys, of course. Oh, for sure. All right, just pulled up to this first garage, meet up with my boy Josh. Joshy M235, we're gonna get a little exhaust note from the N55. Muffler Elite M235 with the apexes.
10 likes and I'll get a Res Delete.
10 likes, Res Delete. You already heard. Shit's clean. All right, but we're gonna roll out to meet up with Jonathan. He was supposed to be here, but now he's not here, so we're gonna go to his apartment. It's like 5 minutes away. This is where like we shot photos like this past week. Super dope spot, Winter Park. Shout out to F8x Skirt for the plug. All right, we're gonna roll out now. All right, we were supposed to meet up with my boy Jonathan at that parking garage, but apparently he's back at his apartment complex. I'm with my boy Joshy, M235 from Gainesville. Luckily, Jonathan's garage and Danny, my boy Danny, is only 5 minutes away, so we'll catch up with you guys when we get there. For those that don't know, Joshy M235 also came from an N20. He had a 228 when I had my 328. And if you go back on my page on Instagram, you can see me and him posted up at like that famous Winter Park location for photo shoots. But yeah, we both upgraded. N55 gang, S55 gang, you already know. The boys. Danny was supposed to be here as well, but he had to go eat with his family. That boy Josh shooting some pics with that new 24mm. Oh, you switched it out. The thing is tiny. Man's getting some content for his YouTube channel, Road to 1,000. Got Jonathan with his M4 just lowered on the KW Hass kit, similar to mine. Man's low. Man's low. Sheesh. We got Benny, the S1000. We got our own car meet. Sheesh. This shit is clean, bro.
It's actually super dirty.
Yeah, but
Not really.
S1 Beamer boys. Sorry for the wind. Which one you guys taking? M4, S1000, F80, F22, M55.
Never say I've been on my grind for 7 days. Need a race, swear to God I'll never be the same. TBH, TBH, yeah, CBA. Never say I've been on my grind for 7 days. Need a race, swear to God I'll never be the same. TBH, TBH, yeah. I pull up walking on these haters. If you wanna talk, then call me later. Goddamn, I've been on my grind just like a skater. Hop up on the mic, yeah, I'm creative. Catch a vibe, I catch a vibe. I murder beats like it's a crime, yeah, it's a crime. I'm always working overtime, yeah, overtime. Money talks like Anaheim, was in my prime.
Stuck at the back end.
This boy's a fast boy.
Bro, fucking pure stage 5.
50 horsepower from the coils, bro.
I'm out, bitch, yeah. Never gonna stop, never gonna stop. Going to the top, Kobe with the shot. Cooking like a pot, yeah, that shit is hot. Popping like a kernel, I was never tired. CBA, never say I've been on my grind for 7 days. Need a race, swear to God I'll never be the same. TBH, TBH, yeah, CBA. Never say I've been on my grind.
Alright, Josh is leaving. Later. Later, fast boy. Later, loud boy.
You want to hear the gunshot verbals?
Do it. Alright, more boys pulled up. This is Danny's brother, Danny M235, you guys know. Garage hangs. Garage hangs with the boys.
Going to the top, Kobe with the shot. Cooking like a pot, yeah, that shit is hot. Popping like a kernel, I was never tired. CBA, never say I've been on my grind for 7 days. Need a race, swear to God I'll never be the same. TBH, TBH, yeah, CBA. Never say I've been on my grind for 7 days. Need a race, swear to God I'll never be the same. TBH, TBH, yeah.
Kyler just pulled up, F30 skirt. Look at his new car, boys. 340, 2018, 13,000 miles. Shit is brand new, basically. Got the M Sport kit, the wheels. Look at this. Super clean. Congrats to Kyler. Everybody's out here upgrading. Josh that was here earlier upgraded from an N20 to an N55. Sorry for the helicopter. Kyler's out here upgrading from the N20 to the B58. I mean, you gotta love it. You gotta love seeing all the homies upgrade, especially staying within the BMW family, of course. Yo, so stoked for him, man. Congrats again. Sunset orange, super rare. I've never seen an F30 in this color, actually. So fire. Look at that. Look at that paint. You already know Kyler's gonna detail this thing like his baby. Let's go. Here's Danny's M235. It's funny because Josh just parked here and look, they have super similar cars. The N55 boys. Yes, sir.
So, still learning this camera stuff.
Alright, so I want to thank you guys for watching. We have done a whole lot of nothing today, but as you can see, we've been just doing car shit. We're taking pics, we're taking videos, we're just having a chill day. Chill day with the boys, chill Saturday. So this is going to be the new Friday night hangout spot on top of I-4. Chilling with the boys, doing car stuff. Why not? Alright boys, it's freezing right now in Florida for some reason, so we're gonna get off this garage. I'm gonna wrap up this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for hanging with the boys and I today. See you on the next one. Peace.